You wave it. Yeah, wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hello everyone, Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another fun fill and glam DIY to share with you. And these are the items that I'll be using. The crushed glass from Michaels. And our glam bling chains from BB Craft. Yes, and I have this tall vase here. And everything will be listed down below, where you can get the link to go to BB Craft. And I have a discount code down there for you to use also, if you'd like to purchase these items. Alright, my glamsters, you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright everyone, we're starting with this vase. It's such a nice size vase, and it was only $6.99. Yeah, at IKEA over here in Canada. And we're also going to use our glam pink chain. Isn't this nice? Yeah, the pink one. We're going to use this one on the vase. And we're also going to use some E6000 to help glue down the chain. Okay, I'm going to start first by placing the E6000 going right around the top part of our vase, because that's where I'll be starting the chain. And remember, like I always tell you, you can use any adhesive that you would like to use on your project. But I am using the E6000. So we're just going to place it around, all the way around. And now we're just going to take the chain and start placing it going around our vase. And make sure you hold the chain straight so the bling side is up, because it's easy to twist. So just pay attention as you're laying the chain down and make sure the bling side is facing up. And we're gonna go right around.
Somebody else to take my place. I hope I am wrong and this is not the case. Not the case. Can you tell her swallow my pride? Swallow. It don't matter if I'm wrong or right, girl. No. I just wanna get back. I just wanna get back with you.
And now that part is done, we are going to take our silver bling chain. And this one here from BB Craft. And we are going to cut strips. So I just measured the strip from the top to the bottom. So now that I got the measurement, I'm just going to take the rest of the chain and use this one piece to guide me to cut some more strips. And I want to place like 3 strips going down as a little bunch. So I'm just going to cut 3 of them. And I'll continue to cut my sections until I have enough. Hey everyone, my camera cut out and I didn't even notice. I'm just noticing it now. So I'm glad I noticed before I finished. So I laid some down already, so I'm just going to show you how I laid down the rest. And I just used the E6000 going down the sides, and then I lay the chain down. And as I always tell you, please make sure the bling side is facing up as you lay the chain down. And because the E6000 doesn't dry right away, it gives you time to move the chain if you need to straighten it out.
Are you coming back to me, girl? Are you coming back to?
So I am doing 3 chains going up and down in sections, and then after that I'm gonna put 2 chains going up and down. Okay, so here is the finished look. I did the chain some with 3, and then next to it 2, and then next to it 3. I did that going all the way around. So now we are going to use the crushed glass from Michaels. Yeah, the pinkish ones. We're going to use these crushed glass here. And I'll also be using some Mod Podge. And of course, like I always tell you, the clear gloss one is the one that I use in the red bottle, not the yellow bottle. I'm not even sure if they have other colors, but it's the red one that I use because it dries clear over your project. So we're just going to start by placing our Mod Podge all over the face. Yes. Going down, and I'm just brushing it in carefully. I don't want to get it on the bling wrap. If you do get some, it doesn't matter. It will still dry clear. And now we are just going to pour our crushed glass, going over. And of course, when you put it down, you will get glass that falls back off, but that's okay. You can let it dry and then apply some more Mod Podge and then apply some more crushed glass to your liking. So I'm just going to continue and do all of our sections and add the crushed glass.
Searching high and low, I'm so glad I found you. I gotta keep you near, right here with me, yeah. 'Cause every little thing we do makes love go on.
And here we go. It's been a few hours and our Mod Podge is dry. So now I'm going to put the second coat of Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass. And I didn't put any extra crushed glass because when I applied the first layer, it looked perfect to me. And as you can see, it does look full and nice. So I didn't apply any extra, but now I am applying the Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass that is there. So we'll have no foliage on our vase.
'Cause every little thing we do makes love go on and on. And every little thing.
And now I'm going to add some silver glitter.
Makes me wanna stay.
And I am holding it up high and just sprinkling it on because I don't want a lot to be on there. Just give it a little glow. So I'm holding it at a distance and sprinkling it on. And I will be doing this all the way around. Seal in the crushed glass and then add some glitter.
Another day.
And here is our finished look. I think our vase turned out very nice. I love how it looks with the bling chain from BB Craft. The pink, oh, the pink one is so nice. Isn't it nice? OMG. And then of course our silver strips going down. It looks nice and elegant, like something you could pick up at Z Gallery or HomeSense. Yes. And guess what? You've made it for yourself. Yes. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's unique to your style. It's beautiful.
I'm feeling the vibe inside.
And now I'm going to use a LED light. It's a push light from the dollar store. And I'm just going to place it inside the vase. You see how nice it looks? Nice and elegant to add a touch of glamour to your home. I think it looks really nice with the light inside. And here is how it looks, all displayed up for you. I think it looks very nice. A lovely piece of decor, like I said, for your home. Or even a gift. Yeah, you can make it as a gift for a loved one.
I don't wanna be right, 'cause no one can tell me who to love.
And here is how it looks with the light inside.
Loving you is wrong. I don't wanna be right.
And this is with some of the lights turned off so you can have a better look at it. It'll look absolutely lovely in the evening when you're sitting down watching some TV or just relaxing within your space. Yeah, you can have it in your living room, you can have it in your bedroom. It will be a nice piece of lighting for your bedroom too. Like a little lamp on your side table. I think it looks beautiful. I like how this DIY turned out using the glam items from BB Craft. I love their chains. Oh my gosh, their bling chains are so nice. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY. And you know what? If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll press that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY. And give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's glam DIY that I have to share with you all. And remember, my glamsters, to always stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.